Welcome to Programming Greeks. So today I'm going to teach you how to upload an image on your web page or your website. Before we start, I want to tell you about our video sponsor. So this video was sponsored by Power Director. Power Director is an application that is used for cutting, trimming and editing of videos and images. So I will leave the logo below the screen. So before we start, you need to know what is HTML and CSS. So I suppose you have a basic knowledge in HTML and CSS, but let me kickstart with some names or meanings. HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. This is used for building the structure of our web page. And CSS means Cascading Style Sheet. So before we start, I suppose you have basic knowledge of what a text editor is. A text editor is used for writing of code. So we have many text editor. For example, Notepad++, Visual Studio Code, and Sublime Text. For me, I use Sublime Text. Let's open. So firstly, before we start, we need to write doc type HTML. This is used to access the latest version of HTML. Before we continue, we need to save it. Ctrl S to save. So I've created a folder in order to make our work more organized. The name of the folder is Programming Greeks, as you can see it here. Programming Greeks. Let's save it as index.html. Remember, you can name the file as any name as you want, but make sure to end it with the extension .html. We save. Let's start writing our HTML tag, our head tag, and then our head tag, our body tag, and then our body tag. One thing I love using Sublime Text is that Sublime Text helps to end the tags for me, so I don't type much code. We end our HTML tag, which has ended it for me. So before we get to the main thing, we want to make sure that the HTML file we've created is working. So I'm going to create a paragraph, which is also known as P. Hello world. We save. Let's open it in our browser. Right click, open. As you can see, hello world. So before we continue, I want to show you the image that we're going to upload on the web page or the website. This is the image here. IMAGE. The name of our image is image. IMAGE. We open it. This is the image that we're going to upload on the website or the web page you just created. This is the image. So in order to do that, we start with an image screen. IMG is a short acronym for image, and SRC, short acronym for screen, equals to double quotation mark. So we put the name of the image in between this double quotation mark. So what's the name of the image file? Is good. The name of the image file is image, IMAGE. So we write it image.jpg. We close the tag. We open the file again. Open. As you can see, the image has been uploaded on the web browser. So now, as we could all see, the image is too big. What if you want to resize it? All you have to do is just to write width equals to, let's say, 400 pixels. Height equals to, let's say, 350 pixels. You save, open your browser, refresh. As you can see, the image has been resized. Or you could say height 700 pixels, refresh. As you can see, the image has been resized. So this is how you upload an image on a website or a web page, and also resize it too. Thank you for watching.